And type assertion is explicitly telling the compiler that we want to treat an entity as a different type. So for example, if we have, let's say, let PID, and we give this an any type and set that to 1. And then let's say we want to have product ID and we want to set that to PID, but we want it to be a different type. We want it to be a number. So we can use type assertion here. And there's actually two ways of doing this. There's two types of syntax. First is by using angle brackets. Like this. And then we put the type in here. So now product ID should be a number. If we say if product ID equals true, I should get an error. So it is working. So now the second way we can do this, we can just comment that out. Let product ID, let's say it equals to PID as, and then the types. So let's say as a number. All right, so PID initially has a type of any, and then because we're setting the PID to a number, it ends with having the type of a number.